everyone, Everything's Sure, and today we are back with Five Nights at the Powerpuff Girls. Last time we did night 2 and a little bit of 3. Now it's time to do night 3, baby. Alright, I think Benny Master gave me a strategy that I think I forgot, but I don't think I read it like 2 times. So without further ado, let's do this. What was that? I saw you!
Hey, great work once again. You're doing great. By now I'm sure you've noticed that Blossom doesn't move at all. Well, the thing is that sometimes she tends to watch instead of moving around. Though she can get out of her spot. If she's close to you, she will act different. She comes right in if you don't look at her. Again, the whole party thing. You might want to keep her out too. So I recommend that you should shut the door before you look at the room that Blossom isn't in. We find her the most dangerous of the bunch. There was another Blossom that we would throw out, but she won't be a problem to you. Anyways, good night.
I don't know what... Oh my god! Where are you? It's funny. Oh, there she is. There is she. Oh, whoa. There's Buttercup. There's little Buttercup staring at me with those dark red IXC eyes. Why do I have to do that? Why is Blossom here in this night? I know it's like night 3, but... Yeah, nice try, fucker. I knew you were coming. Saw you! Blossom, go away. Stop camping! Camper! Camper! You're wasting all my power! Blossom, go away! What do you want from me? There! I gave you a little bit of fresh air, dog. Yeah, nice try, flubberknucker. Keep fucking camping. Bro, stop camping, brother. Brother, stop. Stop. Nut. I give up. Come on, get me. Come and get me. Hola. Alright, let's choose home this time. Was that the body of 87? No! Buttercup! Buttercup, you bitch! Sorry. No! Oh god! Bandages, bandages. Bandages. My name is Camille Habib. Whoa. God. I'm just flicking my flashlight fastly, like there's no tomorrow. There was like a door there. Stupid hand, it's itching. Stay back. Stay back, you midgets. Stay back, you little people. Stay back. Stay back. I got a flashlight. I'm not afraid to use it. I'm gonna use that as a strobe light. Oh, okay. Why is there a fan in my bedroom? Like, do I get paid at home? It's definitely Call of Duty. I'm literally just flickering, and I think I have a limited battery, but that's okay. I'm just, ooh, go away. Go. Is that like the window? I'm just going fast. And there. And there. And there. And there. Concentration mode activated. Have you seen the new Garcella update? It's dope. Not like I've played it before, but I've seen gameplays of it. Dope. The songs are dope. Everything is dope. Like, yeah, I think I have limited battery. Huh. Well, I think that's obvious since people are just gonna cheese it. Who am I playing as, actually? Am I playing as Blossom? Professor Utonium? Fuzzy Lumpkins? Okay. I'm going so fast I think it's lagging. Okay, basically, like Blossom's like one of the Freddles. Those little guys like appear on your bed. If you don't rid of them, Big Nightmare Freddy will jump scare you. Come on, turn 6 a.m. Turn 6 a.m. That was actually kind of easy. I should keep home more often. Yeah, that's easy. All I need to do is just keep on 3 things. The window. Wait, I have to find my sisters. Perhaps they went to the new pizza place. I better go check to see if they're there. There. Let's go. Oh, is it there? Is that Mojo Jojo's lair? Mojo Jojo. There's nothing special here. Why is Mojo Jojo's lair is like in middle of Townsville? Like a ghost town. Oh, okay. Well, I think I'm gonna end this video here. So, yeah. Without further ado, bye guys, the video's over now. Leave a like, subscribe, join my Discord, and see you guys later. Bye bye.